At Karnavati University, education and development as a well-rounded individual goes beyond classrooms. It extends to the field, the court, and every space that builds strength, discipline, and balance. Rooted in the philosophy of holistic development, KU places equal importance on health, well-being, and fitness. Spread across a vast green campus, the university offers extensive sports infrastructure from football and cricket grounds to basketball and badminton courts, along with a fully equipped gym and dedicated recreational spaces. Here, sport is not just an activity, it's a way of life. Every day, as the sun sets, the campus comes alive with power-packed matches, team spirit, and the energy of competition. Whether you're a professional athlete or someone who simply enjoys staying active, KU creates an environment that encourages movement, resilience, and teamwork. At KU, we don't just build careers, we build stronger, healthier individuals. Because true growth is not just academic, it's physical, mental, and emotional. Karnavati University, where fitness meets focus.